Marge goes to the supermarket. It's a Sunday afternoon. And Marge needs groceries for the upcoming week. She must be sure to have enough for her, her spouse John, and her 3 children, Sue, Robert, and Mary. The supermarket closes at 9 p.m. At 3 p.m., Robert has soccer practice. And Marge has to pick up her son from practice at 5 p.m. Mary has an appointment with her tutor at 6 p.m. John's brother Alex will be stopping by for dinner. Sometime between 7 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Alex is allergic to shellfish. And Marge must be sure to remember that. Marge is planning to cook chicken, beans, and rice. She is also thinking about making a cherry pie. Please answer the following questions. Question 1. What sport does Marge's son play? A. Baseball. B. Lacrosse. C. Soccer. D. Tennis. Question 2. Which item is Marge not planning to cook? A. Chicken. B. Beans. C. Corn. D. Rice. Question 3. What time does the supermarket close? A. 6 p.m. B. 9 p.m. C. 8 p.m. D. 7 p.m. Question 4. What is the name of John's brother? A. Robert. B. Alan. C. Timothy, D. Alex. Question 5. Which time is Mary's tutoring appointment? A. 6 p.m. B. 1 p.m. C. 5 p.m. D. 4 p.m. Question 6. How many children does Marge have? A. 4. B. 3. C. 2. D. 1.